At Agile CLiCs, we do timber-based manufacturing and construction with a difference. I'm Simon, I'm Managing Director of Agile CLiCs. Agile CLiCs was set up to deliver the Centre for Low and Innovative Carbon Solutions, developed as a visitor centre, training and education facility, research and development, and perhaps most importantly, it's created a state-of-the-art workshop to build anything from a home through to a picnic table or a bird box.
My name is Ben. I'm the Production and Workshop Manager. I oversee the day-to-day running and production here at Agile CLiCs. We specialise in timber-based construction, producing an eco-friendly product, ranging from arcs to SIPS panels. One of our most recent projects was to deliver one of our range of eco-friendly arc buildings to the Stoke Mandeville Hospital. With the workshop we have and the skills and training that we provide, the scope is endless for what we can produce here.
Agile Property and Homes are providing affordable homes built from sustainable materials for people in society that need them most. Agile Property and Agile CLiCs together form the perfect end-to-end home building capability. But we've also got the capability to do very much more.
Here at Agile CLiCs, we only use sustainably sourced materials. Any wastage is used to heat our workshops with our biomass boiler, and our offices are powered through solar panels.
So not only is there a focus on climate and homes for people that need it the most, we are determined to create social value throughout the supply chain. So we have formed an incredibly successful relationship with HMP Spring Hill to enable prisoners in the latter stages of sentences to be released on temporary licence. We call that ROTL.
My name's Amber. I'm Centre Manager here at Agile CLiCs and I oversee the ROTL programme. So having worked in the criminal justice system for over 10 years, I have a real sense of pride and motivation for helping people. I think that's something that's really important to me and it's definitely one of the core values of Agile CLiCs. The ROTL programme affords Agile CLiCs the opportunity to make a really positive social impact.
We pay a living wage, we provide a coaching and education-rich working experience to be able to secure employment when they're finally released from prison. Reoffending rates are high and crime costs the taxpayer a huge amount of money. Reducing reoffending is good for everybody. With the rehabilitation expertise we have, to date we've had no incidents of reoffending.
I think it just feels good to know that you're able to give them this opportunity. The experience that they get here is invaluable and I get an enormous sense of pride being able to help these guys coming through the ROTL programme.
There are huge misconceptions. We know from our experience here, a very high number of people absolutely desperate for a chance to be able to turn their lives around.
I'm Daniel, I'm trainee supervisor here at Agile CLiCs. So I was in prison serving a 20-year sentence. 18 months prior to release, I joined the ROTL programme and then on release they offered me a job to be a trainee supervisor. The first 3 sentences I never had a job, I never had ROTL, I never had the chance. The main difference between my previous sentences and now is the support that I get from Agile CLiCs.
Daniel's story is a really great example of the positive social impact the ROTL programme through Agile CLiCs can make.
Having a job at Agile CLiCs is brilliant. It gives me a sense of purpose in the morning. Come to work every day and learn new skills and have the management believe in me is everything. Without the ROTL programme, I don't know where I'd be. There are hundreds, if not thousands of prisoners just like me that want to turn their life around but just need that little bit of help.
If you're looking for individuals that have taken huge steps forward in life, look no further than our workshop.
I really enjoy my work here with Agile CLiCs. I get a lot of job satisfaction passing on my skills and training to our ROTL workforce.
So we're very proud of what we've developed here. We are able to deliver very high quality product at extremely competitive pricing. So whatever your timber-based manufacturing or construction needs, come to Agile CLiCs to experience the difference.